she breathes, she's a thought!
Hey, smoke trees every day.
But my hope will never die.
Hi, my name is Big Bird, and I've got a very unusual story to tell you about. This door. Now, I've opened quite a few doors in my day, but it didn't open. Maybe it was locked, I thought. But then an idea popped into my head like this. What if I tried a whole different way of opening this door? A way I've never tried before.
Schidadle, schidudle! Il tuo cazzo è uno spaghetto!
Wearing number 1 for the Los Angeles traffic today is 9-year-old Tommy Douglas. Tommy has lived most of his life in the hospital after being born with a potato for a heart and will undergo a heart transplant surgery next weekend. He's about as big of a traffic fan as they come, so in partnership with the Grant-A-Wish Foundation, both teams have agreed to come together and have Tommy run the first play of the game. And he got the handoff, and there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's going to go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just...
No! Yo, holy shit, he's dead! What's up?
You hear that new Kurt Franklin?
Nah. Turn it up.
Every tear from the
Oh shit. You mind if I praise the Lord?
Go ahead.